Hey, how you doing? Last night I was taking my boat out of Captree, and when I went to start opening it up to get underway, my motor started winging, kicking left and right, and I don't know what the hell the problem is. I'm really hoping somebody out there might have an idea. I'm hoping it's not something major, but I'm going to show you now because I'm going to start it up and record what it's doing. Okay. Well, there you have it. Please let me know what you think it might be. I am so upset I can't tell you because the season's just getting started and this thing better not freaking sideline me. All right, I'll talk to you later, guys. Thank you all very much. Bye-bye.